Eat a Q-tip, bite a shoe, and chew through your friend's braid. Watch hilarious food pranks on your friends in our new video. It's so hard to flirt with a girl in a cafe. There's nothing you can impress her with. Not an interesting conversation, not your jokes. How boring! Not even your money. Go away, buddy, and take your millions with you. But this guy is determined to win.
Whoa.
He's stubborn. How do I get rid of him? I need some heavy artillery. Where's my palette that always saves me? Clean and empty eyeshadow palette. Melt white chocolate and add food coloring to it. Put the chocolate into a pastry bag and fill the palette with it. Sprinkle it with edible glitter. Fill the whole palette with different colors of chocolate. I love drinking coffee and snacking on some lip gloss. Pink is the most delicious color. What's your favorite? It worked! No one wants to talk to a weirdo who eats makeup. Tommy is filming his yummy vlog. Hi everyone, it's me, Tommy, the best food vlogger ever. And today's video is called 100 Secrets of a Fried Egg. The main secret is that you need oil. So the secret is simple. Pour oil into a pan and crack an egg. Whoops, this is an invisible egg. Let's try that again. Let's crack it. What's this? Is this some kind of hybrid? This is a huge jelly yolk, a miracle of nature. Take the inside out of an egg, leaving the shell unbroken. Add orange food coloring to dissolve gelatin. Use a pipette to pour the gelatin into the empty egg. Make a few eggs this way and refrigerate them to harden. When the jelly hardens, turn over the eggs in the carton with the holes down. Tommy, move! You are watching Ben the Taste Tester's vlog. And now I'll taste the most unusual egg. Not bad. It tastes like Jell-O. I'll take this for my subscribers. Thanks. Psst. Hey, hello? Ben, leave my braid alone. Fine, then get ready for a prank. I'll cut off your sweet braid. Boom! And done! Combine 3 3/4 ounces of sugar, 2½ ounces of water, half a tablespoon of vinegar, and half an ounce of corn syrup in a pot. Add a drop of food coloring. Mix it and bring it to 270 degrees. Pour the caramel into a round mold and leave until it's warm, not hot. Take the warm caramel out of the mold. Make a hole in the center with your finger to shape a ring. Stretch out the ring, being sure to dip the caramel into cornstarch. Twist the ring. Sprinkle it with cornstarch and stretch it again. Keep stretching until you get fibers. Make a braid out of the strands. Oh no! Ben! What have you done? My beloved braid! Did you cut it off? Are you going to eat it? Ben, you're a hairy monster! Stop chewing my hair! Oh wait, my braid is here. Is that another prank, Benny? That's it. I'm mad at you. Tommy is looking for his destiny. It's not here. Not here either. Oh, what's that? That's a nice accessory. I mean, it was. Whoops! My Butterfingers let me down again. I need to fix the gem before my friend notices. How do I do it? I'll have to improvise. I have some candy and a great idea. Melt caramel candies in a microwave and pour Pour the hot caramel into a silicone gem-shaped mold. Stick in a jewelry piece and let it harden. Attach the ready caramel pendant to a chain. Put 2 caramel gems into earring blanks. A set of caramel accessories is done! You just need to try a bit harder, and you'll get a great sweet pendant! It looks just like the real thing! No one will notice it's fake! Hey, Tommy, what are you doing here? There's something wrong with this accessory! I'll take a closer look. And this is caramel? It's delicious! Tommy! Oh no! A new roommate moved into Redhead's room. I don't want her to stay here for long. Redhead is used to living alone. I need to scare off this roommate too. My Q-tips will come in handy. Take cotton off Q-tips. Slightly heat little marshmallows in a microwave. Cut them in half and attach to the ends of the sticks. Shape them with your fingers. Put the sticks with marshmallows into a box. What a delicious Q-tip! And this one? It's used! That's even better! The taste of foundation is my favorite! Yummy! Oh no! This roommate is obviously crazy! She's eating her Q-tips! Living with her is dangerous! Ha! The trick with sweet Q-tips always works! I'll dip a new serving into coffee, in case someone else decides to move in. Oh no! Here she is! Hello, new girl! Welcome! You run into all kinds of people at a cafe. A very weird client is sitting at that table. He's on a date with a cactus. He doesn't want a menu. Why would he need a cutting board at a cafe? Add black food coloring to white fondant. Knead the fondant to get a marble pattern. Roll out the fondant in an even layer. Put a board on top and cut out the fondant to fit it. The weird guy starts eating his board. Wow! It looks like he's not the only weird person in our cafe. The girl at the next table is staring at him with hard eyes. A man that can eat a cutting board is her dream. Well, this is a match made in heaven. They finally found each other. Hey, Redhead, let's have a spa day. Take this cheese treatment. What's on my face? It's a nourishing face mask with cheese extract. Cut 2 slices of cheese along a face mask template. Put the cheese mask into a Ziploc bag. Attach a printed label of a cheese face mask. Redhead tries on the mask. Hey, what's wrong with my face? It's burning! Tommy! I think I'm allergic to cheese! Waiter! Waiter! Can you come here? Waiter! Just a moment, I'm on my way. Service takes 3 hours at this cafe, but we know how to prank the waiter. Take off your shoes, Redhead. He needs to see how hungry we are. Take the heel off a broken shoe. Put the shoe into a mold and cover it with liquid silicone. Leave the silicone to harden for 24 hours. Carefully cut the ready mold and take out the heel. Melt white chocolate in a microwave. Add food coloring to it. Mix it well and pour the chocolate into the silicone mold. Take the heel out when the chocolate hardens. Sanitize the shoe, then attach the heel using edible glue. Waiter, can you please take our order? Look, my friend is eating her heel because she is super hungry. And by the way, it's very delicious. Ah! Whoops! It seems like the waiter has never eaten shoes before. He is so sensitive. Ben has a few minutes for a prank before Tommy is fully awake. He hides a pack of cat food in a cereal box. Bon appetit, Tommy! Here he is! He's coming to the kitchen! Tommy isn't a picky eater in the mornings. He put cereal right into his mouth. Too bad, you should have used a bowl. What is this flavor? Cat food? That's disgusting! Did you like our food pranks? Then comment below how you'd prank your friends. Would you eat a Q-tip, a cutting board, or a shoe heel? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious pranks from Troom.